Hi everyone. So I just want to share with you a quick tip for herbs that you buy in the store. You can already see what I'm going to suggest. Basically, for parsley, cilantro, dill, herbs that you will get in bunches like this. This bunch of parsley, you won't believe, is almost a month old. I know that it's cheap to buy, but when we buy it, we only need like maybe 5 or 6 stems because it's only the two of us, and we don't like it that much. But at the same time, we like to include it in our recipe sometimes. So it's just wasteful if we were to just throw out the rest. So we've been feeding off of this bunch maybe twice a week for the past month, and we've saved a couple times, a couple dollars, several times over the last month by just simply putting our unused bunch of parsley into water. And I changed this water maybe it needs to be changed now every few days at best. I've trimmed the ends. I've retrimmed, so just on a board, cut maybe ½ inch off the stems that you're not really going to use anyway. So yeah, to refresh the ends so that it still sucks up the water, and it's just incredible. It stays for I've kept parsley like this in the fridge for 2 months or more. I don't remember exactly how much longer, but definitely a lot longer than if you were to leave them out of the fridge or in the fridge without any water. So give it a try, and yeah, enjoy the savings. Let me know what you think. Thanks everyone. Please subscribe and share this with friends to help them also save some money and some resources. Take care.